The sold price is up this report, and time before going to contract improved to seller's delight. It's Friday, April 10th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. 1,611 units are coming soon at a higher median list price this week of $507,500. 2,780 homes were listed for sale this report, reflecting a 30.3% increase in new inventory and at a 1.1% higher median sales price of $445,000. 1,733 units went under contract in 15 days at a lower median list price of $424,900. 38.4% fewer properties sold this report, 1,024 units, at a 2.3% higher median sold price of $444,950, and in 15 days to contract, which is improved by 3 days. There are 3,152 rental properties listed for lease at a median $2,500 per month. These have been listed for 36 median days. This reflects stable data week to week. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 10th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.